So today we're probably gonna end up taking all this whole inside apart. I already took that seat off. We're gonna end up washing the carpets, put everything back. We'll just start doing all this stuff. We just got 4 bolts, one nut here, another one there, and then bolts in the back. So enjoy. Today I am working alone, but we're getting it done. All we gotta do is take off all the bolts that hold on the seats, every single one of them. Front side is already taken out. We will be taking out this to go power wash the carpet because it is nasty. Look at that. It's a lot worse. We'll just have to wait and see how it looks after the power wash is done. Good morning. Today's the day we get rid of that flatbed. So we are actually on our way to the guy. I'm actually supposed to help him take it off. So we'll see what I can record for you guys. So I guess this guy found somebody that has a forklift. We're gonna be able to take it off with that. We just got all the bolts and the harness for the lights taken off. And this is how she looks now without the bed.
Am I supposed to sit?
We're gonna go get the seat right now. Oh my god.
Let me just sit on this banana.
Oh my god.
I would be recording some B-roll, but this is my view, so I can't do much.
Oh, it is too good.
So enjoy this B-roll.
So this is, so if I get a ticket, I only get a ticket for not having the bed.
You think it's gonna?
Huh?
You think it's gonna fit?
I think so, 'cause this is right there. So this is where the bolts, they bolt on to the bed, and then you have some in the back. If anything, I'll just drill some holes. But this was my main issue, just having this. So it's only gonna be, it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be right on right here. stuff here to cover this up. This should be good. Dude, it fucking lines up perfect over here though. 1,200 I sold my bed for, and we got one. It was a 2014. It fits straight on for 300 bucks.
300.
God is good, guys.
Yeah,
It only took us like 15 minutes to get it installed.
You know what took more is like finding the bolts than actually.
Yeah, I
like,
think finding the bolts
took longer than actually placing it.